Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As winter is knocking the door, this is the season to enjoy tender and juicy chicken roast. So today I am making Indian style chicken roast, chicken malai roast. Let's check the ingredients together.
Whole chicken 1 kilo, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 2 teaspoon, lemon juice 2 tablespoon, hung curd half cup, fresh cream 3 tablespoon, ginger paste half tablespoon, garlic paste half tablespoon, chopped green chili 1 teaspoon, dry kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves 1 teaspoon, coriander leaves 1 tablespoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, white oil 1 tablespoon, corn flour half tablespoon. Key to a juicy whole chicken roast is that we need a chicken that is not more than 1 kilo net weight after cleaning. The bigger the chicken, the more time it takes to cook, thus could end up with unevenly cooked flesh inside. Now the most important thing is to make gashes or cuts on the chicken where the marinade will be applied. So make gashes on the breast, joints, thighs and legs or drumsticks. Now mix all the ingredients together in a bowl and combine them well. Apply the marinade all over the chicken, especially in the gashes and inside the belly. Who doesn't love a perfect whole chicken roast? I like mine full of flavor and spices. Today's chicken dish is an Indian style chicken roast. There are many ways of roasting a chicken, but this recipe is one of the most comforting for me. It has what my palate recognizes and associates with comfort food. After applying the marinade generously, cover and refrigerate it for at least 3 to 4 hours. I refrigerated it overnight to get best result. After you take the chicken out from refrigerator before cooking, tie the legs with kitchen twine or thread. Now, in a pan or a karai, add 2 tablespoons white oil and place the marinated chicken. Always remember to remove the marinated chicken from refrigerator at least 45 minutes before cooking to let it come to room temperature. Cover the pan, cook on medium heat for 40 to 50 minutes depending on the size of the chicken used. A heavier chicken requires more cooking time. As I have used 1 kilo chicken, cooking time was near about 60 minutes. Check in between and brown the chicken each side, turning every 10 minutes. One thing I love most about this recipe is we can use the liquid from the cooking process. December is here. Dirty a single dish and call it done with this ultra savory protein packed, real quick and easy clean meal. So you can basically drive right in, get the whole chicken and try it today or for Christmas if you plan to celebrate with a large spread. This may look fancy and difficult, but I promise you won't have to go searching for ingredients because they are sitting right on your shelf. Neither will you have to worry too much about how the chicken is going to cook because if you follow the instructions, it is going to be juicy and spicy and will make you wonder how often you can get away with making it. Spoon the sauce over the chicken. If you are satisfied with the color of the chicken, then remove it from the stove. Cover it and let it rest for at least 5 minutes before serving.
Dear friends, hope you all have enjoyed the recipe. If you have enjoyed it, do like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell button to get notified. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye.